Ash, and in this lesson we are going to learn how to use output to output something on the screen in JavaScript. And today is a very important concept for beginners, and this is going to be something that we are going to use often in JavaScript. So what we are going to be doing today is using console.log, and we're going to be printing some things out on the screen. So if you've never made a JavaScript program before, then this would be a good lesson for you. So I would suggest that you use Visual Studio Code, and that's what I'm using here right now. And so first of all, let me go ahead and make a new file. I'm going to call it logging.js. Alright. And also, a good thing would be to have Node.js installed because I'm going to be doing my testing with Node.js. If you want to open a terminal window to type in your terminal code commands, you can go to terminal up on the menu and go to new terminal, and then that will open up a new terminal for you. That's if you're testing with Node.js. So, all right, great. So first we made our file called logging.js, and in our file, let's go ahead and write this line, console.log, and it's going to be hello world. Great, and let's go ahead and save that. And once I save that, I can run it in the console here. So our file name is called logging.js. So I'm going to say node, and then this dot, and then the backslash logging.js. And I'm going to go ahead and play that or run that. And so what we get back is hello world. So you see that right here, right? So that's how you would log something to the screen. And one thing is, and also if this is your first JavaScript program, congratulations. And we have a long road to go, and I'm looking forward to teaching you guys more. But I want to go over this line here. So this is the exact thing you need to type to print something to the screen, the console.log. And then you see these parentheses. You pass what you want to display into these parentheses with these quotation marks. And these quotation marks, you need them because this quotation mark signals that it's a string. And usually strings are like letters and words that you can either display on the screen or store in a variable, things like that. And they're different from numbers. We'll go deeper into variables in another video, but for instance, you can also add more things to this message. Like, for instance, to append more, well, you can, for this string, you can type in anything you want. You can say, like, hello world, how are you doing? You can say that, and then let's go ahead and run that. And then you see it here, hello world, how are you doing? And then after that, what you can also do is you can append other strings to it. So plus let's say it's answering back or something, and you can say I I'm doing fine, and you use the plus sign to append that to this. But in this case, I'm just showing you can do it. But in this case, you could always just put this in here, and it would do the same thing. But for functional purposes, I want to show you you can add a plus. So let's go ahead and say that, and then run it. Then hello world, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. So after this plus, that's what it displays here. And so also you can display numbers, like for instance, if you want to make a variable here, var x, or we could say var galaxy number equals 5. And let's go ahead and delete this. And then we can say hello galaxy. And so of course that's going to print out hello galaxy. Well, we could go ahead and test that. So we ran that, so it says hello galaxy. And then if, like, let's say we have multiple different galaxies, and we want to know which galaxy we want to say hello to. And so basically I can say a number, and then let's name that galaxy number 5, and let's copy this and make another galaxy number. So we'll say galaxy number 6, and we'll assign that to 6. And so I want to choose which galaxy I want to say hello to. So I can put in the console.log, I can put plus, and then I want to say hi to galaxy 6. So I would take this variable name, and then I would do a plus right here, a plus, and then add the variable name. And then let's go ahead and run that. And that's going to say hello galaxy 6. And also, like for instance, this doesn't have a space there. If you want to add a space, you could put a space there, and then save that, and then let's run. And then you see hello galaxy number 6. And actually, I don't want to say hi to 6 anymore. We want to say hi to 5. So we'll change that to do that, and then we'll run it again, and then boom, hello galaxy number 5. So with the plus sign, you can append different things. And let's say, like, also I want like a string plus the galaxy number, um, and then plus another string right here. I can say let's have a good time. So let's see what that will display. So hello galaxy number 5, let's have a good time. And so we did a plus the 5, and then plus that. And then of course, um, you don't have to hard code this directly into the console.log, but this could also be its own variable, such as you can say let galaxy greeting. So you can say let galaxy greeting, and then we can take this out. We can take this out, and then we can say let galaxy greeting there. Let galaxy greeting, and then um, we can delete that. And then, well, then we'll take this name, and then we'll put it down here. And then we can say let galaxy greeting plus the galaxy number plus let's have a good time. So let's see what that does. So it does the same exact thing, except this time I assign this to a variable. And like if I want to change it, I can say what's up galaxy number, and then if you see here, I changed it. So what's up galaxy number. Okay, and well, one thing I want to tell you about console.log in your journey of programming in JavaScript is make sure that you use it for testing purposes. Like, for instance, when you design a program, you should test often. I would never develop the whole program and then test. You have to test a piece at a time to make sure everything is working. You can use console.log to debug to see, like, for instance, what a value is at the time of execution. Like, let's say like we have let um, x equal 55, and then I say x equals x plus 7, x equals x times 2, x equals x divided by 3, x equals x plus 11. And then, like, when you go on in your code and you may lose track of, what the exact value of x is. So, what would x be after on line 15? What will it be now? Because we changed it so much. So, a quick way to see that is console.log x. And I'm going to go ahead and comment this one out up here so it will not output. So we will only see the output of this one down here. So let's go ahead and save. We'll save that and then run it. And so that's going to be our value of x. And then what will be x after line 16? So we'll print x again after we execute x plus 11. 52. And this is very good when you have big code and you want to debug, and let's say you have a bug where x is not um, coming out right at the end, and you can go and see, like, step by step on a console log what is x. So, and then you can see where x is going wrong at, and then you can fix it on that certain line. All right, well, there's my lesson on logging, and it's a great first program to create if you're new. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.